Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Hyundai Elantra. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Make sure the engine is completely cool before you begin. You'll need a basic set of wrenches, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool to make the job easier. Having a good light source will also be very helpful throughout the process. Next, you'll need to access the serpentine belt. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Once the belt is off, locate and disconnect the main power wire, usually a thick cable, and the smaller electrical connector from the back of the alternator. Take care not to damage any wires during this step. Now it's time to remove the old alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it to the engine block. Use the appropriate size wrench or socket to loosen and remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, you might need to gently wiggle or pry the alternator to free it from its mounting bracket. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components as you extract it. Finally, install your new alternator. Carefully position it into the mounting bracket and hand tighten the bolts, then fully tighten them. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector. Route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's correctly seated, and release the tensioner. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and check your dashboard for any warning lights, or use a multimeter to confirm proper charging, which should be around 13.5 to 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.